The main points behind the Reimagine Schools podcast with special guest David Guerin include defining what a digital leader looks like, how to build a digital culture within a school, how to keep up with our students with new advancements in technology, and the idea behind Dr. Guerin's book, Future Driven. Dr. Guerin mentioned in order to be a digital leader, educators must recognize how the world is changing and turning more digital. We must prepare our students with the right skills and allow digital tools to leverage learning. Building a digital culture needs to start with questioning and learning how to learn digitally. The administrator at a school building needs to be a role model and needs to be at the forefront of this in everything they do in order to get the vision of being a digital learner out to his staff and students. Mobile technology has a global impact. Dr. Guerin states that we, as humans, are connected at all times, and it is more important than ever to be an adaptable learner today. The graduate profile has also changed. Dr. Guerin put an emphasis on our students needing practice and opportunities with the four C's. The four C's include collaboration, creative thinking, communication, and creativity in the form of problem solving. And we need to allow students to take ownership over their education. In order to meet our students, we must keep up with them. Most students are technology savvy, but they still need to be taught how to learn with technology. Teachers do not need to have it all figured out in the classroom during the lesson, that includes technology. Dr. Guerin stresses that things will go wrong with technology and that teachers need to be able to adapt and not have everything under their control and to expect things to go wrong and to be able to learn with their students. The idea behind Future Driven is the move toward digital learning and how we as educators must change our mindset on changing how things were done and how things need to be done as we advance our students into a digital future.